Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance Academy for learning. I just tapped on my Binance account and officially logged in. So now I will have to just move in my home page, which is top left corner bottom. So I will just tab on in the dashboard of more, and after you will just scroll down to find Binance Academy. So in information section you will just find uh, Academy of Learning of Binance. So just tap on it, follow the steps of arrow. So here is the Binance Academy. So here are just some trading articles which is to for beginners to learn the all scenario of trading stocks. So here are some blockchain and NFT, and you will see trading for beginners. So you can just uh, read it one by one article, so that helps you to trade improver. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.